We got number 4 here. Granby Zoo adds 120 insect species per month to their insectarium, and they start the year with 50 insect species. And if Y represents the total number of insect species and X represents the number of months past, what equation represents this situation? So really only two numbers here, so we've got no ordered pairs. And since we only have two numbers and we're looking for an equation, one of them has got to be an A, and the other has got to be a B, because that's the only way we're going to get an equation. If we don't have two ordered pairs, they've got to give us the A and they've got to give us the B. And there's no graph or anything like that to give us ordered pairs with. So, this 120 is either an A or a B, and the 50 is either an A or a B. So let's talk about the language. Granby Zoo adds, in other words, changes the number of insect species by 120 per month. And there's that per. That's rate of change every single time. And they start the year with 50 species, right? Start the year with means that's what their initial value is. To start is to begin. To begin is to be initial, first. So 50 is what they start with. In other words, even when 0 months have gone by, when X is 0, Y-intercept, it will be 50. Sorry, when X is 0, the Y-intercept will be 50. So, all that to say, Y is equal to 120 species per month plus the 50 that they started with. And so you can see after 1 month, 1 times 120 plus 50 is 170. After 2 months, we'd go 120 times 2 plus the 50 that they began with. And that's the function that's going to allow us to calculate how many species they've got in the insectarium. So where do we have that number? Where is it? Where is it? Where is it? Oh, there it is, right there for B. Look at C. Look what they were hoping you might do, right? Muck about with your slope or your initial values. They're trying to trap you sometimes with these questions. So be careful, and you should be able to get these pretty easy.